So these are the codes for uncompensated, and the compensator codes are like this only. So if you are multiplying both two, and closed loop will be this one, and the body of that one will give you this plot, and this plot you can just wait minus 3 dB and minus 90, and you can convert that to hertz. So it will be like this only. So you will get exactly what answer is given in there. So anybody have any doubts?
Sir, we have to multiply the two now, compensator and the open
Yeah,
loop
yeah,
one
yeah.
which we wrote earlier for the.
Yeah, this is actually uncompensated system that I have written. This one is compensated. So these two are multiplying here. So this is the trans function. So both are multiplied divided by 1 plus g upon 1 plus gh is closed loop trans function. So this is open loop. These two are multiplied divided by 1 plus that gh. That is taken as this trans function, and body of that thing you will get as compensated closed loop body. Okay. Any doubts?
We have to do bode for the closed loop.
Yeah, that one only asked. Na? See, here it is checking only for these two values, checking only for closed loop.
Oh, okay, sir.
This open loop trans function you have to find out. Frequency response you have to find out and put it in the report only. For your verification purpose only, closed loop thing is done and it is given. Closed loop only.
Okay.
So G is your open loop trans function. On G upon 1 plus G is closed loop trans function for unity feedback system.
Sir, the first bode which you showed, that is for compensated open loop, right?
Yeah. No, this.
That 41.6 for minus 3 dB bandwidth.
That is for compensated closed loop trans function. This one is. This is for compensator alone. That is 1 4 is in the numerator, 628 into 7 point these things. These are all these values. These values. This one is that values. These three trans function is taken as compensated. So these three trans function multiplied. And the uncompensated thing, the first values. That is in page number 5. These values. That is taken here and multiplied. And this is SYS. I am taken it as SYS, and this is CSYS. So these things I am multiplied. SYS and CSYS is the SYS into CSYS is SYS into CSYS is open loop compensated. So body of these things will be open loop compensated trans function body. So this is open loop compensated, then closed loop compensated is SYS multiplied by CSYS divided by 1 plus SYS multiplied by CSYS. Clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. In body of this one, This can name CLSYS. So body of CLSYS is closed loop body response of the system, and you have to find out the minus 3 dB bandwidth and minus 90 closing points. Like this only you will get. And this should match with our required thing, that is this one. That is only for closed loop only, not for, that is compensated closed loop only. You have to find out other things you can write in reports only. This is for these values are given. Compensated closed loop transfer function. These values are given only for that. And this step of
Okay,
that
sir.
one, a step of this one. The step of this CLSYS will give you step response of closed loop compensated transfer function. That is the third part. First, linear system step response you have to find out for 1.5 degree. For a linear system, you are doing for 1% or 100%, step response will remain same. That is why you are just using step of that function. If it is non-linear, it will change. Non-linear step, you cannot find it like this. Non-linear thing, you have to use simulink. And input you have to give for that one.
Sir, if we create the write the transfer function in the MATLAB code itself, like suppose we take sys is there, no, sir. Now, if we want to call sys inside Simulink, how will we call it?
First thing, these all the things it should be here. This MATLAB now,
Yes, sir.
entire thing should be here.
Okay.
So you want to call it inside MATLAB means you can either you can take it as a gain, but that is a transfer function. You can enter transfer function like this only. Like this only you have to enter a transfer function. Otherwise you can call it as a gain.
So I tried calling it as gain, but I was getting some error.
Yeah, that gain if we are calling, that is simply multiplied thing, but that is not a gain. So it will create error. You cannot call it as a transfer function. Otherwise you can call it as a LTA system. Continuous, you check it, continuous.
Sir, there is no LTI system in continuous.
In this control system toolbox, that also will not create it. It will call the function from there itself only. So your I have to add a numerator and denominator like this. LTA is in control system toolbox. So if you are using that one, you can add it as a numerator and denominator only. So if you are having like this numerator and denominator function like this, you are not using this TF of this command, these things are there, then you can import these values now. Hello?
Yes, sir.
You are enter like this now.
Yes, yes, sir.
Eh? So this is transfer
So
function.
I directly made the function.
That is you are using. That cannot
Yes, sir.
import to MATLAB, but you can import to MATLAB like this. This TF of that function. Here you can enter that value directly.
Yes, sir.
This TF of this function. I am using now this TF of this one. So CSYS you can use there because it is a TF function. So this TF, this one you can name there. This name you can directly use here. CSYS1, CSYS2, like that things you can use in LTA system. LTA system is available in control system toolbox. So you can directly enter here.
Okay, sir.
So if you are using some other like these things, you can enter. Other functions, other function you cannot enter. You can other function you are entering, some problem will come. The TF and other things will be you can enter. MATLAB command is TF only for transfer function. So these commands itself you can use there. This CSYS1 will take it as a MATLAB function.
Okay, sir.